welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids, and I am Pankhudi. As you all know, I love to make videos on different topics, and I also love to write stories and poems. I have written one more poem on lockdown. I am getting a lot of appreciation on my poems from you all. Your lovely comments on my channel motivates me to work hard. Today I am going to share my thoughts on things I will do when the lockdown ends. The title of my poem is Life After Lockdown. I hope you will also relate to this poem and will like it. This poem is a request from one of my subscribers, Tana Sinha. Thank you, Tana, for this lovely idea. Let's start my poem. When the lockdown will end, I'll do many things. I'll go out freely and spread my wings. I'll smile, I'll laugh, I'll jump with joy. I'll shout hooray to the girls and boys. I'll go on roads, I'll just go out. To mall, to school and all about. Give me an idea, I'll go reach there. What place is it? I'll not care. I'll take a flight to reach New Zealand. I'll also go to Spain and England. I'll also try to visit Germany. The list is long, the countries are many. I'll go to school and meet everyone. We'll together have lots of fun. My online class is sometimes a bore. Studying in school would be nice much more. COVID-19 cleared the dream from my head. It's still lockdown, it happily said. Let's enjoy the situation we have today. This lockdown situation will go away. Thank you. Thank you all for your lovely comments on my earlier poems. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Subscribe my channel for self-made poems, book reviews, toy reviews, learning tricks and much more. I love you all. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू, बाय.